Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mrs. Peterson, that lady who teaches art, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to make our Valentine's Day project. So today we're going to use our textured sheets. You're going to get one of these plastic sheets. You're going to put that on the bottom, and then you're going to put your heart on top of that. And we're going to use these crayons that already have the paper peeled off. Now, usually when I use a crayon, I hold it like I do a pencil. But for this project, remember when we use these textured sheets, we're going to hold our crayon and let the whole side of the crayon rub on the paper. So I'm going to use my crayon like this, and you'll see my stars are starting to show through. And when I'm done with one color, if I'd like to use another color, I sure can do that. You will notice that the lighter colors, like this yellow, don't show up super good, but they can add a little bit. Once you have that done, you can set it aside. I'm going to show you one more. So I want to show you one more thing that you can do. You can also use different colors in different spots. So if I wanted to use orange up here, maybe I'll do a little bit more. And then lighter orange. And then if I want to go to yellow, I'm kind of making like a rainbow pattern. And then go to green, light green, dark green, and I can do blue all the way over here. Now my heart has a texture that looks like a rainbow on it. When I'm done, you're only going to do one heart. You're going to get your black paper like this. Your name is already written at the bottom with white color pencil, and you're going to use a glue stick. Today, when you get your glue stick, the lid will be on. You'll take that off, and if you need to twist a little bit up, you can. Remember, TKers, we don't twist a whole bunch out because that's just going to make a mess, and you might end up wasting the glue. So we're just going to get a little bit out by twisting the bottom, and then we're going to put this all over the back of our heart. Notice we're not putting it on our black paper. We're putting it on the back of the heart. And then we're going to turn our heart over and put it on our paper. The point of our heart goes down towards our name. And that's how we're going to make our textured hearts for Valentine's Day. I can't wait to see what you create.